Welcome to the AsylumConnect catalog. My name is Katie and I'm co-founder and president of AsylumConnect. I'm going to be giving you a brief explanation of our catalog version 3.0 and how to use it. Our catalog is currently live for both Seattle, Washington and Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'd like to start with a brief overview of the catalog. Our catalog is designed to help LGBTQ asylum seekers identify and access human needs resources in their specific U.S. city. Right now, our catalog can help you to find resources in Seattle, Washington, and Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. These resources are searchable by type of service and by additional features such as whether or not resources are confidential, free, and/or have language translation assistance available. You can also filter your resource search by required documentation, including whether or not you have a photo ID, proof of age, proof of residence, proof of income, medical insurance, or a referral. In addition to using our catalog via computers, our improved mobile-friendly design also allows you to now easily browse our catalog via mobile devices, such as mobile phones. We hope that the resources you access through using our catalog will help you in your pursuit of happiness, freedom, and safety here in the United States. Before you begin to use our catalog, the first step is to switch the language of the website. You can do this by clicking on the option in the top right-hand corner of the website, labeled Select Language. From the drop-down menu, select your preferred language from the available Google Translate options. Please be aware that these are free translations provided by Google Translate and may contain some inaccuracies. Please use the translations as a guide. After changing the language, select the city you want to find resources in. Our catalog currently has 2 cities to choose from: Seattle, Washington, or Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. After choosing your city, you can now select the types of services you are looking for. To do this, simply expand the categories by clicking on them, and feel free to check as many as you want from each category. To personalize your search, first select the additional features that are important to you, such as whether you are looking for a resource that is confidential, free, and/or has language translation services available. Then click on the Do Not Show Me resources that require text and select as many options as you want. For example, if you do not have a photo ID, proof of age, proof of income, or medical insurance, select all 4 of these options now. Our catalog will then automatically remove from your search all of the resources that require these forms of documentation. Then scroll down to see the results. Please be sure to view our catalog's disclaimer before you continue. The search results will list the names of resources that fall into the categories you selected, as well as the additional features you selected. To read more about each resource, simply click on its name to expand it. Afterwards, you can see useful information such as the services provided, contact information, and location of the resource. There are also several other features of our catalog that you should be aware of. Next to each resource, you will find an edit option. Click on this edit option to edit a resource's public profile or suggest new information be added to the resource's public profile in our catalog. It's okay if you do not have all of the information the form asks for. Just fill in what you know and we'll do the rest. All edits are subject to review by AsylumConnect staff before being published in our catalog. Next to each resource, you will also find a report option. Clicking on Report allows users to easily report if they have a negative experience when using a resource listed in our catalog. We will display the number of times a resource has been reported on its public profile for all of our users to see. Please note that AsylumConnect does not independently investigate user reports. Rather, our reporting function serves as a way for our users to share information with other users about their experiences using the resources listed in our catalog. Our catalog also offers printer compatibility for users with limited internet access. If you face inconsistent or unreliable access to technology, you can now print out a PDF-friendly copy of your personalized resource search to take with you. Now let's go through a specific example. The first step is to select your language. For example, if you speak French, scroll down and choose French. I speak English, so we will leave it on the default language, which is English. The second step is to select your city. I want to find resources in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, so I select Philadelphia here. I want to find a mental health resource, so I'm going to click on mental health. Specifically, I'm interested in support groups and private counseling, so I'm going to select both options. Next, I want the resource to be free and confidential, so I'm going to select both of these options as well. I now click on Do Not Show Me Resources That Require. I do not have proof of age, proof of income, or a referral, so I select all three of these options here. Next, I scroll down the page to see the results. I want to learn more about the Mazzoni Center main office, so I click on the resource to see a list of its important details. Here I can view important information, such as the center's general description, population served, website, phone numbers, non-English services available, and hours. From the icons at the bottom of the description, I also note that the catalog provides legal services in addition to mental health services. By looking at the icons, I can also tell the resource provides translation services, in addition to having a confidentiality policy and offering some free services. If I want to contribute more information or an edit to the details I see listed on the Mazzoni Center office's main public profile, I select Edit. If I have a negative experience at the Mazzoni Center main office, I select Report to share my negative experience with the AsylumConnect team and other catalog users. After I'm done viewing the Mazzoni Center main office's resource profile, I now can continue to scroll through the page to see information about the other free and confidential support groups and private counseling resources that also do not require proof of age, proof of income, or referral available to me in the Philadelphia area. I can use all of this information to learn what resources are able to serve LGBTQ asylum seekers in Philadelphia, which of these resources best meet my own personal needs and preferences, and how I can access these resources. Lastly, if I want to print my personalized resource search to take with me, I click on the Print button. You can also use the map to review search results near you. You can zoom in and out using the plus and minus in the map's lower right-hand corner. Simply click on one of the red markers on the map to see the name of the resource located there. You can then click on the name of the resource in the box in order to go to that resource's website, or you can click on See More Info to move to that resource's spot in the list on the right side of the screen. We encourage all of our catalog users to provide feedback on our catalog by clicking on Share Feedback at the top of the page. Clicking on this option will direct you to our survey. All of your answers are confidential. Your feedback is extremely valuable to us, and the AsylumConnect team will use it to continue to improve our catalog. Finally, to suggest a new resource you think should be included in our catalog, click on Suggest a Resource at the top of the page. It's okay if you do not have all the information the form asks for. Just fill in what you know and we'll do the rest. We appreciate your submission and thank you for helping to connect LGBTQ asylum seekers with human needs services. All suggested resources are subject to review by AsylumConnect staff before being published in our catalog. If you have any questions about using our catalog or about AsylumConnect in general, please feel free to contact us by clicking on Contact Us on the top right-hand side of the website. Thanks for watching the AsylumConnect Catalog version 3.0 explainer video, and we hope our catalog helps you to find the resources you are looking for. Welcome to the United States.